imagine? Auntie Asawa sent me Jane out of her house. Can you imagine?
Also, you get poa.
Eh.
When you leave, why are you making it look like Asawa is the only bad woman in this world?
She is! Joy, you are supporting evil and I don't like it. See, what you do to another person, if they do it to you, you won't like it too. Agwasi gongi. Ihe yi mere onye ozo. Ha megia ogadige mma. Better tell Auntie Asawa to leave Anayo alone. Yes, tell her to leave Anayo alone.
And what become of that boy? Anayo, is he a boy?
Are you asking me that?
You people should leave them alone. If Anayo wants to marry Asawa, let him marry her. Then Akudo should be coming down. Allow her husband to marry two wives. He's not the first person to do
You are a bad girl. Afugome, I need it very bad. I pray that such thing will happen to you. Kema goes that if really you get married.
Under fire.
Oga fire and kill one. Oga beat you.
Are you mad?
What the kala? What the kala?
Wait. Did you see any bike around here? My mother is dying. We need to take her to the hospital.
What about your mother? What happened?
It's not because of her someone. And now you pushed my mother down because of her someone. Oh! You see, as someone we hear from me in this village, I swear.
You see what I've been telling you? I just now was to give her boy here and me. I've been telling you this. Better one as someone to leave Anayo alone. I've told you and I will not tell you this again. I've warned you. I was going to go. I was going to go. I was going to go.
Slim bim people.
Onyala, mad woman. Okay,
now who be that now? I don't know, who be that?
This is assistant owner of the house. So. This is assistant owner of the house.
Bros.
Get man.
Sir?
Hey, how are you?
Fine.
Where is everybody?
They're inside the house.
You are growing, you know.
Madam, they feed me well.
I can see. You have been eating my portion. You don't work.
I'm not happy to about it.
No. Get man.
Ilo
is your name.
Ilo.
Okay, sorry. And never is inside the bag. It will shock you. You know, you people are city people. You will not understand. Let me see my brother.
Okay.
Hey.
Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon.
Welcome, Wanga, welcome.
Hey, my brother.
In support of everything new and against.
My brother.
Why are you here?
Are we fighting? Hey.
What are you looking for?
Hey, look who we have here.
My
second husband.
Hey. My wife.
I have missed you.
I've missed you too.
Oh, you. Hey, honey, what you guys around though?
You've not answered my question.
Our wife. Did you hear what your second husband is saying? Sorry, your first husband. Your husband is saying that why am I here? I came in peace. So, see, you know that in that song they used to sing at Senpai Osamake. Who is on the Lord's side? I want to know. I am on the Lord's side. I am on your side. That is the song we're supposed to be singing here. Can you imagine?
Ojuku has always been on your side. Why are you being so harsh on me?
Why won't I be harsh? I still remember what Papa told me this morning. And listen, you see that your small sister? That small Okui, if I catch her, you see that her big mouth, I will use padlock to lock it.
Leave Okui. Leave Papa. These people are village people. They are in the village, so they have to be thinking like village people. We are now in the city, so let's think like city people. Come and show me my room. Huh? Kick them away. See, I have gist for you. Very big gist.
Don't want to see your room.
I want to see my room. Don't worry. Take it. Let me go inside. Hey, I don't come. Easy. Don't spoil the baby. I know. Yes, sir. Well, don't spoil the baby. I missed you. I don't know how much I missed you.
He's here with around. It's easy.
I missed you so much.
I know, I missed you too. Come, let me show you your room.
I came because of you. Do you know? I came because of you.
I know, no problem. Let's go inside.
Let me go, show me my room. You let me. Is my room up or down? Follow me. She's supposed to give me up in case. Can I stand there? My jump. My fence.
Blow it well now. Also, I feel no peace touching my heart. It's too painful. Look at what did your man have to me. What did I do to him, man? You have to carry paper to put inside my ife there. Oh, wicked. Look at this, your man can blow anything that will blow it faster. Blow it. Blow, 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 blow. Okay, don't forget you have to go and pick pot from the school. So be taking time. And so in there, don't be blowing. You're not listening with your hand. Blow it, Fedia, blow it.
Skipping on your now, eh? Who did he go there to fight Akudo?
It's no better. It's no better that he goes there to beat the hell out of her. Eh? What kind of wickedness is this? What will I do for them to do this kind of thing to me? Well, also, call him anymore. Blow this thing, blow it, blow it. Let me look at it. Is he going to heal at all? Is it not bad? Very red.
Sorry.
Asa, hey, Nemo. Ogini. Eh? Chief. Hey. Jesus,
Mama, is that me? Just tell me. Can you even marry German Akudo? What have I done to them? Look at what they did to me.
This is bad. And idiot. Had the God to tell me rubbish about you and the Anayo.
That idiot. I swear, if to say the bro Jane that brought me back to this house, I would have dealt with her. Hey, that idiot.
Sorry.
Blow it now!
Blow. There is trouble. So wounded.
What is it, eh?
Jane and I was about to fight over the same issue. And the Joma ran to us, said that she's looking for a bike, that her mother is dying. And you are the cause of everything.
You can't know. How? I did not told their mother. And did I told their mother?
Amazimo, so that she said it's because of you. And now you hit their mother, and the woman fell down that she's dying.
How? Shima, I did not told their mother.
Hey, Anna, you're living school here.
Sorry.
Blow. Sorry. Never give me a big if I can't.
Anna, you're living school.
I should pray nothing happens to my mother. Because if anything happens to my mother, I will kill her and bury her in this village. Myself. Okay, make it a film.
Stop making noise, I'm thinking. But why would you do that to her? Is she a thief?
Yes! And I know she's a thief! She's a thief! Because she stole you from me! But listen, if anything happens to Mama, I will personally kill her someone has done in this village. I will kill her! What is all this? I will do not touch Naija. You are a shameless man!
Very shameless!
What is it, Anaya? I expect you all to take cognizance of the fact that this place is an hospital and not a marketplace.
To talk to them, I've not been talking. Please, how is my mother?
Well, you're all standing here right now and are no longer kids. And I don't want to hide anything further from you people. Just shortly before you brought her down here, she has lost a lot of blood. I don't want to start by asking what happened. But I'm sorry to announce to you that she couldn't make it. She's dead.
What? I'm sorry.
Who is dead? Hey! Mama!
Excuse me.
So that is it too.
That guy are very correct. You are very right. On the right track. You're saying the truth. Who does not want to have a child?
I wonder.
Who? Can you imagine? Man, don't let anybody deceive you. Don't let anybody deceive you.
I told them. I told them the truth. You know me, I like to tell the truth too. I told them the truth. Say, Anna Young was doing the right thing. Since Akudo's child has died, he should hold on to Asanwa's child. They said that Anna Young was doing nonsense. I have to tell them.
You are the true friend.
No.
Other people, they are evil people.
Yes.
No, they should tell me. What if anything happens to him? Who's going to inherit everything he has?
I wonder.
Who's going to take over him? Nobody. Huh? Ha. But I used to play love with Gloria before my mother died because of the same issue. And I said, oh my God.
See?
My mother died because of children. Give me a child, and go and marry another woman. And I said, oh, I must have children. I was planning to go and impregnate 3 girls outside.
Hey.
For Gloria came with this plan. I said, okay, no problem. Let me pause.
But she did well for giving you her friend.
She doesn't have a choice.
Hey.
Since she could not give me a child, then I have to, she has to come out with that plan. Or else I'll go outside and wipe it.
You are too much. You are too much. Hey. I can't kill her. Our wife. Can't kill me. Up you. One in our you are too much. Thank you. Up you. Hey. Hey.
Darling, good evening.
If you go inside, if you want to go inside, you want to stay my skin. Skin infection. Go inside. And you come. Why you shining your teeth? Why you shining your teeth? If you want to drink. If you don't want to drink, you can go inside and sleep. Stop behaving like a chameleon. Who are you standing for? Is it Gloria or Linda?
I'm standing with my 2 legs. I stand, Kudochia. Good afternoon. Let me take my drink in peace.
Be very, very careful with me. Not until you see Gloria, you shine your teeth, our second wife, my third wife. You see Linda the other day, next time, you say, hey, have you eaten? Very, very careful.
I'm with everybody. I'm for everybody. I'm for nobody. Are you still drinking with me? Are you going to your room?
Can only support you for your face, for your back, you go change. Yeah. Be careful the type of face you dey listen to.
This is abomination. Eh? Anayo, how could you kill your own mother? This is quite unbearable.
Stop saying this thing now. How can I kill my own mother? But we are just dragging here. Before you know, she slept and that was it. Hey. I can't do such a thing now.
Anayo. Hey! You and Asawa has succeeded. But mark my words, I will make this village a living hell for both of you. Trust me, I will kill Asawa and her child. Confess.
You don't have to say that. It's okay.
How? Asanwa did not do anything in this case. Hapukwana Asanwa. What quite for me?
It's a guinea.
Get out, Sumba. Get out. Get out. Sumba. Get out. Get out. Get out.
Will you stop? Anna, I don't want this to be a vicious circle. I want you to devise a means and stop this burning spell that is hitting your family. Your wife just lost her child not quite long ago. As if that is not enough, your mother just passed on. All in the name of Asamwa. What do you call this? Are you not with your right senses? Don't you think that something is wrong? I want you to begin to think.
No, just tell me. What wrong have I done? What have I done? The only thing I know that I've done is helping Anayo and his family. Now, Asamoah is being tagged a bad person. Hey. Asamoah is now being tagged a bad person. Just like that.
Sister, you've not done anything wrong. You're just fighting for your rights.
What is my right to? My own right? Eh? What gave Akudo the right, the temerity to have? She had the guts to do this thing to me. Pepe. Also, but I will deal with her. Or else if I don't get well, I will so deal with her. She will hear from me. Akudo. It's all right. But I know that it's my right.
That you didn't do anything. Then push me out of the house.
Let them continue pushing you. Do you understand? When I get okay, they will hear from me as someone.
Mrs. Ocha, what is it?
Who is your Mrs. Ocha? Who is your Mrs. Ocha? It is because of you that I'm passing through this thing that I'm going through right now. Because of you, my own shoe is on fire. Instead of you to help me and lick it, you left me and just left the pepper. So the pepper will just kill me.
I cannot lick it. I don't like pepper. Even in Yoruba land, I used to avoid any food that has pepper. Eh? I even told them, let's take it to the hospital. They say no. That is red oil. I saw Ogen here now. There is red oil that will stop everything. Before I ran out to go and beat Akudo black and blue. Were you not there? Maybe it's not you, but I know I saw somebody that saw me beating Akudo in our own house. I beat Akudo, you know. So it's not like I don't want to leak. I was opening the legs wide for her to fan. Eh? Mrs. Ocham.
You will come and feed this pepper with me. This pepper will touch you too. I will not sit you now. Don't talk to me.
Asamoah, Mrs. Ocham. Can somebody use pepper and eat it? That's barbaric now. Anyway, the pepper
You don't know?
Hi. I'm sorry. I can imagine.
You say someone say now you're on somebody husband. You carry him say now you're on I am the talk you the fight. You say now your own property. When trouble go come, make you go.
I cannot spread it to the two flesh. If they go together, it's a Hey! This is what happens to somebody that goes about chasing other people's husbands. I swear to God, if I'm in Akudo's shoes, I would have roasted some people like bushmeat. I know you for that matter.
Yes, so my sister.
Oh God.
My husband's is scared.
Please.
What do you want some people to do? Nothing.
What is it now? Can't you see that things is not easy with them? Why are you saying all this? I don't like it, Biko. Hey, sister, please. Sister, don't listen to them. Let's go. Don't make them make you angry. Let's go, please.
Make who feel bad? Can't even make that one feel bad. She has the heart of Satan already now. One woman enough. Walk, let me see you.
It's okay.
Babe. Don't you know that Pepper is not someone's food?
Abi.
When you enter that side.
If I didn't.
Let's go. Don't listen to them. Let's go. Asamoah. So you still have the nerves to walk around this village after snatching somebody's husband? You should hide your face in shame.
Akudo, it will not be well with you. It will not be well with you. See what you did to my sister.
So everything is going to be 165,000 naira only.
Only. All right. I will transfer the money to your account immediately I get to the office. So you can buy
so much.
Whatever you want to buy.
Thank you, baby.
You're welcome. You know I'll do anything for you.
Yes.
Ojuku.
Come.
My bros.
How are you? All right. I'm on my way to the office now. I want you to drive my wife to the market later when she's ready.
Alright.
She needs to buy baby things. Soon she will put to bed and she has not bought baby things.
See, guiding people
Will
is
you
my talent.
keep quiet? I'm still talking. Listen to what I'm saying.
Good afternoon.
Please, make sure she's safe. Don't allow anybody to push her or even come close to her. Protect her, okay?
My name is Protector. You don't have problem. Are you not my brother? Are you not trying? I will take care of you. My brother. Miss you. Bye.
Alright, baby. Bye. Don't miss me too much, baby. Alright.
Don't miss me too. Hey. You go enjoy you.
I know you miss me so much. I missed you too.
Your waist. Hey. No need of massaging waist.
You need to massage You're gonna leave me out. I'm pregnant though.
Yeah, I know. This is my baby. Now, is it not my baby?
Ojuku is a chameleon. Ojuku is a chameleon. He is in support of everything and against everything. Ojuku, Ojuku is a chameleon. Joy, Ojuku is a deceiver. He can only support you for your face, for your back. He could change you. Be careful the type of friends you dey listen to. Some are chameleon, no kumaka like a papo. They will deceive you and still link up with your enemies. So indeed, okay. Zero kumaka la friends, so Ojuku is a chameleon.
Ojuku! In my house! In my house! Hey! Come here! Hello! Telephone! Come here! Out of my house! Out! You are a wicked woman! Stand for! Hey! I will kill both of you this today! How long has it been happening? How long has it been happening? Sit down there! Sit down! Please! Sit down! Ibu!
Hey! Stop talking! Why will you do a thing like this? That's bad.
Please, she's pregnant.
Please. Why will you do a thing like this?
Ibu!
Hey! Linda, that's bad now.
Confess. I don't care anymore! I don't care! I will kill you! I will kill him today! You better come out! Tell him to come out or I'll go there and I'll beat him! I will match him! Tell him to come out!
Just calm down.
Alright! I will kill somebody!
Please.
Hey! Oh, you're running! Leave him! Let him run! Let him run! I'm coming to that village to meet you! I will come here and I will discuss you!
Calm down. This child does not belong to you.
Hey!
He belongs to his brother Ojuku.
Hey! Ojuku, what are we going to do now about this pregnancy? What are you saying?
There's nothing to do about it. That's what I'm thinking now. I don't have money. You don't have money. And I'm not even ready for marriage now. So let us abort it. Abortion.
Ojuku, now stop breaking my heart with all this talk. What do you mean by that now? You know I care a lot about you. I can actually get married, you know.
It's a marriage?
Now.
Yeah. Hey. don't talk of marriage now. Don't talk of marriage now. Because I am depending on my brother for money. My brother that I'm depending on is depending on his wife for money. Eh? My brother, I don't have money. You don't have. My brother that I'm depending on doesn't have. He's depending on his wife. And even that you have now, I will say, oh, bring your own. Let us get married. The way my brother's wife brought her own money and they got married. Do you understand? I don't have money. So if me and you talk of marriage now, you see hunger. What hunger will do us? Eh? Hunger will bend our neck like this. When we walk on the road, people will say, what is happening to this husband and wife? He says, it's hunger. It's hunger. So let's run away from, forget marriage now.
Eh?
Yes.
When you were doing it without protection, you didn't know that you don't have money, eh? Didn't I want you to use protection? Did I not want you to use protection? Thinking about it.
I wanted to pull out, but you are too sweet. You were too sweet. That place was too slippery. I couldn't withdraw. And you know it. You might not even want to know about me. That is what you are. Eh? What an about me? I couldn't withdraw because that place, the slimming was too slimming. I couldn't. Don't you know you're too wet? Eh? It was too this thing. I struggled to come out. No way. I said let it end there. If I have to want to get me.
You have to do something about this. Me, I cannot do another abortion for you. How many abortions have I done for you?
We will continue to do. You see, children, they're plenty for my waist. Like ghetto. I have it like ghetto around my waist. Children. So you don't have to bother. By the time we make money and get married, children will plenty. They'll be coming like a crocodile. So you don't have to bother. Let's remove this one. Let's have peace, or we'll think of what to do. Do you have any land to sell? Then we can sell land and get married. That is it. So think of it. Let me think of it too. Eh? See hunger going to back. What you're doing, this is hunger. It's coming. So think about it. Are you thinking? What I'm thinking. Mama, what you're doing is not good. What you're doing is not good. Think about what you're doing, Mama. Think about it.
Shut up your mouth. Omenife and his wife should be ready for me. I am here today to give them war.
Mama,
Abiagum.
Mama, please. You have to calm down. Oh. Gloria is not a bad woman. Eh? Remember, God's time is the best.
Stop telling me that. Don't ever try to say such to my ear. I'm going to that room to give them this war. Unless she will not come out here today.
No, Mama, please. It has not gotten to that, Biko. Biko, can I see you outside?
See me outside.
Just 1 minute. I want to talk to you.
What do you want to talk to me about?
Mama, please, just follow me. Oh?
Some chameleon, no kumaka like a papo. They will deceive you and still link up with your enemies. So, Ndiroki, zero kumaka la friends. So, yeah, Ochuku is a chameleon. Onyentisa, Onyentisa, Ochuku, Ochuku is a chameleon. Onyentisa, yeah.
I brought you here to beg you to please calm down. Eh? I've spoken to Gloria, and from what she said, I can tell you that she's making serious efforts to conceive. All she's asking for is just a little time. Oh, just give her some time more. You know, she's not God that gives children.
Linda.
Eh? Mama Pico.
Linda. For 8 years. 8 good years. Linda, listen. That woman is not a good woman. She has come here to waste my son's time for nothing. Do you know she now turned my son into her baby? Yes, she calls my son baby, as if she's breastfeeding him.
No, Mama, that is not what she means. It's not like that. No, you know, baby is actually a modern pet name.
Pet name?
Yes, Mama. Just understand and give her small time. She's not God that gives children. She's a good woman. No? Just give her small time.
Don't call her a good woman. You don't know that woman very well.
No, I know.
Mama. Linda, how are you?
Good afternoon.
Yep. Have it.
Yep. What is it for? This is not a small money.
That's your pocket money.
My pocket money.
Mama, your son is rich. He's loaded. So giving you 50,000 is nothing. I want you to hold that so that if you want to buy anything, if you want to spend money, you have access to money. Okay. If you decide to go back to the village, you have money to spend. If you still decide to stay back, you have money to spend. Yes. So I and my lovely, beautiful wife want to go for vacation. Mama, we need to cool our head down. The pressure, the stress is getting too much. So we have to go.
Hey, Nokia. Did you hear him, Linda? Did you hear him now? Have you seen how that woman wants to take my son out of this house to bewitch him the more? Nokia. Okay. You people should come and pass. I am here today. As for this money, I will keep it. I will keep this money. Linda. Hey! Hey! Linda, please, you are my best friend. Can't both of you do me this favor, this tiny favor, Linda, and save my marriage? Honey, please, you people can do it for me. Else I will leave this marriage.
Come on, stop. You're not leaving this house. Nobody is telling you to leave this house. I am your husband. I decide if you leave or not, but you're not leaving. Come on, you're gonna stay with me.
Gloria, you are like a sister to me, and I love you very much. As far as I'm concerned, I can do anything to make you happy. Anything in my power. But you see, this particular one you're asking me for, it's too hard. I'm sorry, I can't.
Same here, I can't do it.
Hey, Linda, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? You are here telling me you love me like a sister. And when you said you love me, yet both of you cannot help me and save my marriage. I'm losing it. Please. Both of you should just help me. I'm losing it. I've seen that you want me to leave this house. I will just leave this house. I will just leave.
Please just stop.
No.
Nobody's killing anybody. I'm still here for you. Nothing's going to happen to us. I still love you with all my heart. Forget the fact that Mama is disturbing, everybody's disturbing, but I am here, I'm okay. We are not God. Only God gives children.
Yes. It's actually unfortunate that things has gotten to this level. But seriously, there's absolutely nothing I can do.
Hey! In fact, it's very, very obvious that both of you don't want to help me. Both of you don't want me to be in this marriage. Yes, you people don't want me to enjoy this marriage. In fact, I'm leaving this marriage for good. I'm going to pack my things and I'm leaving.
Stop it, you're not going anywhere.
I'm leaving this marriage. You don't
What
want to
is,
help me.
you're not going anywhere.
You don't say you love me, you don't love me.
What about you? Please stop now. Why do you...
Hey, this is good. This is an opportunity for us. You don't have to waste time.
Yes.
You don't have to waste time. Let's start immediately.
Hey, I want it so bad. I had to pretend I don't like it. But in my head, you see how happy I am.
You have to like it too.
I love it.
You have to love it. Because this is a very big opportunity, even for my brother. Yes. So that you will live here as well.
That's why
I can be seeing you anytime I want.
You know, that's why I got things now.
Yes.
So that you can take care of my baby.
Exactly.
Forever.
Exactly.
You don't have enough money to take care of this baby.
Oh, it's alright. Look at 1 million on it. You see my brother. See, let me tell you. It's a very big opportunity for my brother. So that he have this baby to appease my mother's spirit. If not, my mother will one day wake up. As waka. Slap him. His head will grow more.
Oh, you got that go?
Yes. So this night, I'm gonna have to form an engine so that the baby will be growing. Is it not my baby? The baby will be growing more.
Which baby will be growing?
You see, this is my brother. I don't think he can pregnant a woman.
Hey.
Yes.
Did you be well?
Yes.
Who told you that?
I'm not sure. My brother looks like Minara. Can't you see? He looks like Minara.
Oh, are we not doing this thing again? Oh, let her come home.
What are you thinking about? Please, let's go. He's waiting.
Gloria, you know, I've been thinking about this whole thing. I hope there won't be any problem. Like, are you really sure about this?
Yes, I'm sure there won't be any problem. Please, let's go. He's waiting in his room. Please, what is it again? You promised to do this for me.
But you're going to be there, right?
No, why will I be there? You are not a baby. I want both of you to enjoy the night together. Oh? What is it? Please, he's waiting in the room. Let's go. I don't want to keep him waiting, please. Please, let's go.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, you promised to do this for me. I beg of you, please.
They will deceive you and still link up with your enemies. So, Ndiroki, Zero Kumakala friends. So, yeah, Ochuku is a chameleon. Onyentisa, Ochuku, Ochuku is a chameleon. Onyentisa, yeah. This is in support of everything.
You've done it so fast.
We've done it.
So fast.
That one, what can he do? He's just a 2 minutes man. Wait, that's your brother. Are you sure he can even impregnate any woman?
I told you that my brother is Minara. Minara, it's not even Coke, it's Fanta.
Oh, whether they've been looking for children.
Because Coke is thicker. My brother is Fanta. See, by the way, you're already pregnant. Were you expecting him to satisfy you the way I do?
For what? You're my German machine. Who can be compared to you? Nobody. Meanwhile, I have come for you to quench the fire you have started. Yes.
You know now.
Hey! Linda! Is it true?
Yeah.
What you told me? It's true.
Yes.
Tell me it's true.
I'm pregnant for you both.
Hey! Hey! Linda, my friend. Oh, thank you. Honey. Hey!
Thank God.
Sit down. Sit down, please. Hey! Hey! Don't stress the baby. Keep your hand like this. Honey. Hey!
Thank God. Thank God. Finally, I'm gonna be a father.
Yes. Are you sure?
I'll be a man.
Are you sure? Are you sure it's not twins?
I pray. Expect twins.
How many fella boy Joko? Hey, oh, I'm happy. In fact, I'm going to do all the shopping in Dubai. Everything that this baby will use. Honey, no, US, Italy. Which country do you want? This baby is going to be a citizen. Where is Ojuku? Honey?
Tell him to bring drinks.
Ojuku!
Tell him to bring drinks.
We need to pop some champagne.
Soon I'll be a father.
Where is Ojuku? He should be in his room, yes.
Let me call him.
You want to call him?
Yes.
Hey! No, wait. No, you are pregnant. I will call Ojuku just say like this. No!
Don't worry.
Hey!
Tell that stupid boy to bring drinks. Let's make
Easy, take it easy. Hey!
Hera chico, one nemo, hera chico.
Guess what?
What is it?
I've been confirmed pregnant. And my brother and his wife are so happy with the news.
Are you serious? Yes. Hey, this is good. And I am very happy for them. I'm happy for them too. Eh?
Wait, why are you packing your bag?
I want to go to the village. I want to go. I have discussed with my brother Seth, and he has promised to give me some money.
You want to leave me here all alone?
My friend Anna is missing me, and he said I should come to the village for me to see him. Let me go to the village first, then from there I can think of where else to go. Whether to come back to the city.
What about me? Am I not going to miss you too? See, you know you can stay in the city now. You can stay around, so we can be seeing each other now.
See, I'll miss you too. But don't let us implicate ourselves. So play your game well. The way I see things now, you may end up becoming my brother's official wife, official second wife. You don't you want to be somebody's wife?
Who said I don't want to be second wife? Don't you know I'm already envying this Gloria?
She's enjoying you.
Very well. Well, let her not worry. You're already sharing the same man.
Hey,
it's the same enjoyment.
Hey,
after all, man, not the one carrying the thing.
You are the one. In fact, before I go, there's what they call one for the road.
Jesus!
Hey! Linda, Jesus, why will you do a thing like this? Hey!
Hey!
I will kill you with my... Ever in your life! I will talk to him. Leave! Give it to me! Not ever in your life step your foot in this house again! Idiot! Idiot!
Linda!
Idiot!
Linda, don't worry, I will come for you, I will come for you, Linda.
Come on, look at him. What about the gate? Look at him, cow, shenanigan, fool. How many?
Somebody property. This is almost same as your own. Somebody husband. You carry on same as your own. And the talk we the fight. You same as your own property. When trouble go come, make you.
This guy for work. Another person. One person come, one they sleep with other brother. She even for madam, they beat people everywhere. Anyhow, they beat people.
It's okay, please. Let's try and stop crying. Biko.
Mama is gone. Mama is gone. Who is going to fight for me? Who is going to fight for me in this house again? Onyeka Nurumoku. Hey.
Sister, you have me. This time I am going to show my brother that I am no longer a kid. I am now a woman. And you have me with you, please. It's okay.
Asangwa, you have really dealt with me. Asangwa, you have really dealt with me. Asangwa has taken two most important people in my life. Two. I will not let her go free. I must kill Asangwa in this village. Just look at Mama is dead and gone. Gone. Who will fight for me again? Mama.
Hey. But I won't let it slide. No. I know my brother has gone to see her again. As usual. But I am going to deal with them. I will deal with them in a manner they will not forget in their whole lifetime.
Mama, deal with them. Mama, why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Why did you leave me? Mama, why did you leave me?
It's okay now.
Help.
It's okay.
What have I done to myself? God, please. I'm in trouble. Oh God. What am I going to do? Eh? Why did I put myself into this kind of trouble? Oh? Hey. Who sent me? Oh, Ojuku, you've seen what you've caused now. Eh? You cannot run away. Oh. Hey. Where do I start from? Agunwine. So this is it. This is why you have been tormenting my friend. Eh? Lady T, please. Please. Help me beg Gloria to forgive me. Oh. It was the work of the devil. Please. Really? Linda, you have not seen anything yet. You will suffer. Let me see if that Ojuku will marry you. So you think you have arrived. You want to reap where you not sow. You. I pity you. Please. Please now. It was a mistake, oh. Hey. Lady T, please, oh. Help me beg her, oh, please. It was the work of the devil, oh. Hey. Ojuku, you've seen what you've cost me now. Ojuku, you got... Please come out, let me lock my door. What do you do? It be your problem. I want to lock my door. Please. I want to go to my mother's village. I don't want to stay here anymore. Is it my fault?
How can you leave me now to your mother's village?
Your people are mocking me. When I pass them, they will laugh at me.
Yeah, it's thunder that will fire them. Okay. Thunder will fire everybody that doesn't mind his business in this village. Please don't mind them. I will pay your dowry after after my mother's burial. I will pay the dowry.
When is it going to happen? When is your mother's burial going to happen? When?
Brother Nayo, I don't want anyone to kill my sister for me. This fight is too much. We're tired.
I have told you people, leave the fight for me. It is my fight. It's me that will fight them the way I want to fight them. Nobody should put hand. I will fight them. By the time I pay your dowry now, they will not have any choice than to mind their business in this village.
Beautiful.
Money Nayobo, don't live with my son.
No, now.
My love, Pico no, Mrs. Ochan.
Sister,
shut up your mouth.
Let's just listen to him this time. You know, he has always been on our side.
Yes. Are you mad? Are you the one that they'll be mocking? Are you the one the villagers are laughing at? Church. Please, I beg you to come out of my way. I want to go to my mother's
house. My lord, even if you want me to be living here with you people, I'm ready. I can collect one room and be staying here.
Okay.
Don't mind these stupid people that will not just mind their business. Please. Don't live with my son, Biko no. Oh, Biko Ziano. You can't possibly leave me and go to your mother's place. You know I love you. Please. Let me take your bag inside. It's dusty. Dust and everything.
Somebody property. You say someone say now your own. Somebody husband. You carry him say now your own. I am the talk you the fight. You say
after carrying it, you still come and carry it. You don't shut that. Wait. If they laugh at me again, I will go.
Thunder will fire them.
If they mock me again, I will go.
They will all die.
Every time, bury, and I'm all home. I don't like it.
Anayo. Who is here?
She's not at all.
Anayo.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you, Ijoma?
I'm fine, thank you, sir.
What of Anayo?
He's not at home. I think he might be at Asa's house.
What of Akudo?
She's inside.
Oh, she's inside?
Yes.
Good. Bring us a chair to under that tree there.
Okay, sir.
And call Akudo. Then run along, call Anayo. We have serious meeting here. Others are coming. So, okay, down there. Under the tree, please.
It's better we settle this matter. What's up, Parok?
I don't know why every now and then.
Are they the only husband and wife in this village?
Oh, we have to settle it.
Every day fight. Every day fight. Good morning. It's better.
Let me go and call Akudo.
Please do.
Let me adjust it.
It's okay. Why are you crying like a baby? It's all over now.
Allow me to cry.
Stop.
Ojuku, it will never be well with you. It will never be well with you, Linda. You're dying.
My love. See, I don't think it's Ojuku's fault. Remember what Linda said? They were dating before now. It's my fault. If I had given
No, it's not your fault. It's not your fault now. The pressure was too much. And your now woman would have done the same thing you did. Everybody was coming. As if it's my fault. You're not the God that is giving children. You're not God that gives children now. The pressure was too
much. My son, you're welcome. Welcome. What a long time.
You just forgot us all the time.
But that was a trip back now.
But you know it's not possible now. It's not possible. There is no way I can ever forget you people. But the truth of the matter is it has not been easy, Papa. It has not been easy. But I thank God. I'm picking up. I'm picking up, yeah.
Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. Hey, Namo. Hey. You've not told us who the woman that came with you is.
Mama. Mama, you can't just wait and let me introduce. All right. Meet Gloria, the love of my life. The woman I want to spend the rest of my life with.
Auntie, you're welcome.
What?
Thank you. Did I hear you well? Eh?
Mama, what is it? I don't understand.
The woman you want to spend the rest of your life with?
Yes, Mama, now.
This one?
The one I will give birth to my children.
And you people are here welcoming her. How can you both welcome this my mate, my age mate? Your brother said you want to marry my mate, and you are here welcoming her.
Wait.
Shut up!
We have to welcome her first.
You are not welcome, eh? You know,
Mama, what is it now? What is it? Why are you embarrassing my guest now?
Your guest. It's better you call her your guest than calling her your wife. Because you cannot marry my mate and call her. Where do you expect her to get a child from?
Hey.
Or don't you want me to carry my own grandchildren?
Papa, talk to your wife. Talk to your wife. Talk to your wife, Papa.
I'm not coming any down. Stop it. This woman here is an old woman.
Look at it. No, Mama, don't do this.
Look at her grey hair. Mama, look at it. Hey! Hey! I'm not sitting down. What did you do to my son?
Love,
hey!
love. She loved me. Yes.
Love.
Yes, love.
What do you know about love?
I am here. I am here. Relax. Calm down. Only about Obia. Let us hear him well. We will know what.
Hear him well. Your son. Your son said. Mama, see. Mama, relax.
I will hear him. Be on manifest. Don't
go like that. But that way.
Mama, listen. There is nothing anybody will say or do that will stop me from marrying that woman.
Omenife, now listen. If you dare marry her, count me out as your mother.
Good.
Let me even ask you, where do you expect her to get a child she will give you from? Or don't you want me to carry my own grandchildren, Omenife?
Mama, what are you saying? Are you God that gives children?
Tell Mama, tell her, ask her.
Shut up your mouth or I slap you.
What are you insinuating? That I should stand against someone who is old enough to choose from left to right? He is an adult. If he said, I will go and marry 10,000 wives, is it our business? Our own is that let him be progressive in it. If he comes back complaining, of course you know me. If he comes back complaining, then he becomes my enemy.
Omenife, you will not marry her.
Or if
Nyakanku.
Mama, what do you even know about that girl? Huh? No, you are shouting she's old. She's this. What do you know about that girl? That woman is a wonderful woman. A beautiful soul you're seeing there. Mama, listen. If not this woman, maybe by now I would have been dead. Do you know what that woman has done for me? Do you know what she has done for me?
What did she do?
Mama, listen. There is nothing on earth that will stop me from marrying that woman. If both of you are not ready to follow me to go pay her dowry, I will go buy people. I will borrow people and they will go there, they will do it with me.
Look at that, I will come.
Omenife.
It's
better we pay her back for all those things she has done for you. You will not marry her.
He is a man.
Mama, but
he
will pay. Tomorrow.
He will pay. Then he ask for your contribution.
Gloria, if you didn't marry this man, what would have happened to you?
If you had not married me, I would have become a reverend father, a priest. Stand on the altar and say, the Lord be with you, and also with you. When the supper was ended, he took the cup and he said, give the disciples, and said, take this, all of you, this is for you and for me.
Omenife, you've killed me.
I have died long time ago. Yes. Who is knocking? Coming.
No, that must be the security man. Let me open the door.
Nah, come on. Are you not the man of this house?
Sorry,
I
sir.
still remain the man of this house.
Sorry, Your Highness.
Coming. Mama.
Are you surprised to see me?
Mama, yes.
Huh?
Mama, welcome.
Don't ever come close to me. Don't try it.
Yeah?
Yes. Stay there with your greetings. I'm here to give you one.
Mama, what is it? What is it, Mama? You've not even entered the house, you're already causing problem. Huh? Mama, which war? Which war are you fighting? Where is the war?
Omenife, I am not a kid though. I'm not a child. I calculated it yesterday. This is 8 years. 8 good years after Sato. You married this man you call a wife. Yeah. And thank God I've come to say no to it. She is leaving this house today. You, go up there, pack your things and leave this house. Leave my son alone. You are a man. You are a man.
Mama, what have I done to you? Oh. Why do you hate me so much?
You are asking me what you did to me. You've not given me grandchildren. Therefore, I've come today. You must leave this house. Yes, I've come to put a stop to it. Go up there, pack your things and leave my son. Leave this house. Leave my son alone. You are a witch. You are not a woman. You are a man.
She's going nowhere.
No.
She's going nowhere.
No. No.
You just came in, not even drink water or sit down. You're already causing problem. Mama, why are you giving me head? Mama, are we God? Are we God? Definitely your answer is no. We are not God that gives children. At the right time, God will definitely give us children. Mama, when a man is looking for a child, love making is a work. Love making is a full-time job. And that job, I am doing it. Mama, don't worry. I leave everything inside her, and on a very good day, God will answer my prayer and she will give me a baby.
Omenife, you are leaving everything inside your fellow man. This one is not a woman. She
Mama,
is a man.
Mama.
Yes, everything you are pouring it inside your fellow man. You are pouring everything inside your fellow man. That one is not a woman. She is a man. Omenife, go and marry a woman that will give me grandchildren. That's all.
Babe.
Babe.
Baby.
It's okay. As long after it is your fault. It is your fault. How do you expect her to keep quiet when you are trying by every means necessary to snatch her husband? This is an in fact, tell them what he said so that we will leave here. What kind of insult is this?
Asanwa.
Sir, that's my name.
The Igwe has commanded that you should give your son to Anayo.
That is what our Igwe said.
To allow him face his family.
Simple.
That is his instruction.
Go back to that your Igwe. I'm having Igwe got over here no sense. See, I'm more about someone. Now, that I will not give my child 1.9 months. When you milala, when you put on a form, I will not give it to him.
Then you take him. Burian Abano, take him and go. Carry him and go. Who wants him? Onye Choroya. Onye Choroya. He does not want him. You are forcing him on him. He does not want him. Akuna.
Okay, it's your honor, let me just say to what my niece just said.